How do you create unique product photographs for your business at home without a big investment? I have done it before for my Amazon products as well as worked as a product photographer on Fiverr for a while, and I did it all from my home studio. You can build your own very easily and create unique images for your website or social media content. Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and how to make more money online. If you're interested in these topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. First, what do you need to create high quality, unique images for your business? You will need a few things such as good lighting, a background or a well-lit space, a photo-taking device that can be either your smartphone or a DSLR camera, your products, a device where you can edit your images afterwards, and different props such as flowers or different things, different color background if you want to create images for social media as well. Now let's get started. For the background, you can use a simple plain white wall or get an A2 carton paper that is fully white and bend it and place your product at the bottom. It can be just a simple plain carton paper sheet. It doesn't have to be a shiny one, but if you want to create that effect, you can get shiny ones as well. Now you can obviously choose any color you want for the background, but I suggest using white, especially if you want to remove the background afterwards. Next, set up your lighting. If you have two soft boxes or umbrella light or just a big window you can place your products in front of, it should be enough to get your products photographed professionally. If you really want to invest in this and take most of your products at home, I highly suggest investing in two or more soft boxes that you can use to play with lighting when shooting your product. If you are shooting with a DSLR camera, make sure you are choosing the right type of lens for the product you are shooting. For example, if you are shooting jewelry, rings, very small objects, you will need a macro lens for that. If you are shooting a shampoo bottle or medium-sized object, you should be okay with the camera lens that it comes with. And what you will need to do when you start shooting your object is do the camera settings for the type of lighting you have and then experiment different types of photos. So take some photos with the first camera setting and then make new camera settings and see which ones are the best for your images and for your products. If you are using a smartphone to take your product photos, make sure to adjust the settings so that your images are taken in HD, and make sure to always click on the screen to adjust the lighting and to focus on the object before taking the shots. You can also use a tripod for that and a remote if you don't want to be moving or shaking your phone when taking the images. The same goes for when you're using a camera to shoot your product, because if you do the manual shooting, it will most likely move the camera a little bit, so using the camera remote control is a better idea. No matter what you're using to take your product photos, make sure to take plenty so you will have enough options when editing, and then you can start adding different props to the set and take more images for social media content or lifestyle images. You can now edit the images very easily in Lightroom, on your phone or your tablet, and just adjust them until you get the desired look for your brand. Make sure to not overdo it. Same for images with props. Do not add too many props to the image and add elements that will fit your brand as well. You can then use Canva Pro to remove the background for the images that you want to upload to Amazon or to create different collages with, and the background removal in Canva makes it really easy for you to do that. So there you go. This is how you build a home studio to take your product photographs at home without a big investment. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below for more such content every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Lydia.incomingsuccess for more content on growing online with social media and making more money online. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.